cold. It's pretty cold. Oh, we slowed right down there. There's a boat out to our right. We're coming into the mountains. We're coming into the mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see them. There they are. Over there to the right. Wow, look at them. Look how nice they look. Oh, just see a fishing boat. There's a fishing boat out to our right. You ready to go?
Just to give you an update as to how we're doing, we've got our pilot on board. We're now heading into the Sound, or the first Sound, which of course is the Milford Sound.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
15 minutes or so.
Oh, he's
I'm now going to hand you over to Julie, who's often having found fuel down, so I'm going to hand you over to Julie. And she's going to be over on the PA, but it'll be on the external decks or on your state TV. So we've got good weather out there. We might even see some sunshine, so you're all very lucky little fuckers today. Enjoy the day, and I hope we're going to show you some great sights.
1 in 7 ships
Those waterfalls multiply with magnificent effect. Towering over the Milford Sound is Mitre Peak, an incredible mountain rising at 5,560 feet or 1,690 meters tall, and hopefully we'll get a good view of that one today. Milford Sound is home to a variety of marine mammals, including seals and the southernmost wild population of bottlenose dolphins. Playful dolphins dive and leap into the waters of Milford Sound. There are more than 60 bottlenose dolphins living in the area, so it's not uncommon to see them riding the bow wave of cruise ships. Whales, especially the humpback and southern right whales, are increasingly observed due to recoveries of each species. Penguins are also subsequently being identified as an important bird area by BirdLife International. And speaking of birds, the fjordlands in general are home to a number of native New Zealand birds, such as the takahe, the kakapo, which are both critically endangered, and the kia, which is a cheeky, adventurous alpine parrot who is curious and is spotted around Milford Sounds often.
So, what just happened, Stephanie? You have to tell everyone what's happened.
We are stuck.
We have a helicopter coming to lift them off the boat, so we're going to be here for a couple of hours. I don't think anyone's complaining because it's such a nice view. Hopefully that person's alright. But from the sounds of it, it's not good. So I believe we'll get to see maybe two fjords. But we'll probably miss out on... Could miss out on the other ones actually. But that's alright.
Did you put a little sugar cube in there?
Nah.
Oh.
Holy crap, it's cold as shit.
The coffee's cold.
It's frozen.
Frozen.
It's because I put too much milk in. Look at our little view that we got here. To update everyone on the situation. So what happened is the airlift didn't happen on the boat. They actually went to they actually took one of the tenders, like one of the small ships, and they took the small ship and grabbed the person that was very unwell, and they took them to shore. And then they're airlifting them from the shore over to Dunedin. Yeah, they're taking them to Dunedin from. So we've just been informed by the captain that we're not going to go to any more of the, what were they called? Florida lands?
The other sounds.
Oh, the other sounds. So we're going through Milford Sound, but we won't be able to go through any other ones because we're really behind on schedule. So we're going to head over to Dunedin straight away at full speed. At full speed apparently. So it's going to be really rough.
Don't close it.
I'll just close it and not lock myself out here. It's on the camera. Alright, well, we have a nice little view leaving Milford Sound though. We're leaving, Stephanie. We're leaving.
By far the greatest extent
I'm
of
sort of
unoccupied
sad.
vegetation in New Zealand,
sort of
and
sad that we're
significant
like,
populations
this is
of
the only one
endemic
we're gonna see
plants
now.
and threatened animals, in some cases the only remaining wild population. The area is home to threatened native birds,
look at that up
as I
there.
mentioned earlier, such as the flightless kakahe and kiwi.
It probably doesn't look
the
as
blue
nice
duck
on camera,
and
but
yellowhead.
it's
The
just
kakahe
so
was
steep.
presumed extinct for 50 years before a
And
small
we're
remaining
going
population
really
was discovered
fast
in
out of here
Milford,
now because
Washington Mountains
we're in a hurry to make the next
1948.
port.
Since then, that area has been managed by the Department of Conservation, trapping stoats
Look
and
at that.
controlling deer, helping takahe numbers in the area to increase to over 200 and remain at that level. There are also a great number of insects and one indigenous reptile, the Fiordland skink. There are around 300 insect species endemic to the Fiordland region, Many of them are sizable, such as the weta, the large caddis, and giant weevils. And some of them unusual, such as the
Giant weevils.
alpine cicadas, and brightly
Not
coloured
the
alpine
weevils.
moths. There are 6 species of native sandflies, which one
It's a story for
endemic
another
to
time.
Ethiopia.
See, they made little monkeys and a little elephant. Alright, just zoomed it. Going into the safe. This is a scary moment for Brock. I'm scared. Oh man, my heart's racing. Make sure I don't drop it off the boat. Oh, I can't do it. This is so scary for me. Oh, look how beautiful is that. Oh, my girlfriend.
It's so cold. Oh.
So this is our view of our proposal.
Coming out.
So we come out now and take a left and go all the way around the bottom side of New Zealand. We should be pretty close the entire way, so we should be able to see New Zealand
Yeah, hopefully.
for a lot of it actually. Look at that nice beach over there.
I might actually get a couple of shots of this when we're heading
Heading
out.
out?
Real
Okay.
rigs out.
Well. Oh goodness.